Hi, Oriana Leo here for the Red Carpet Report at the Beverly Hilton for the 8th Annual AdColor Awards. I'm here with Kevin Frazier, one of the busiest men in Hollywood. Congratulations on your new position at Entertainment Tonight.
Thank you.
Can you tell us how it's different than the last time you were there?
I'm the host now, and so what that means is it's a lot more, it's more heavy lifting duties. You're on camera, you're on the set every day, and you are the face of that franchise. When I was there before, it was Mary Hart's world. Mary Hart was the anchor, and sitting at the lap or being able to study under a legend changes everything. You learn a lot, and you learn that show is the gold standard. So I'm so proud and excited to be the host of that show now, and hopefully I can carry on what Mary Hart built.
We're very excited for you too. Can you tell me why it's so important to support AdColor this evening?
Well, AdColor helps to kind of recognize the people who are changing the face of America. For so long, commercials have been our window into the world on television. We've watched them. They have shaped many of the ways we think. So I just think that we have to recognize the people of color that are doing amazing things out there, because so often we don't.
And you're an amazing example of that. Final question, how do you look so fantastic for the amount of work you put into this business? I want to know the beauty secret.
There's no beauty secret. I mean, I'm an old guy who's just hanging tough. I mean, thank you for saying that.
You're welcome. Thanks for watching. And if you liked this video, hit like. If you'd like to see more from the Red Carpet, subscribe to the channel. And leave a comment on this video. What was your favorite ad this year? Mine was the Cheerios commercial. See you next time.